What's the meaning of court of inquiry? Court of inquiry. Court of inquiry.
Court of inquiry. Court of inquiry. A court of inquiry is a legal proceeding that investigates a specific incident, usually involving military personnel or equipment. The purpose of such a court is to determine the cause of the event and evaluate the conduct of those involved. The panel consists of impartial military officers, and they have the power to summon witnesses and examine evidence. At the conclusion of the inquiry, a report is issued that details the findings and recommendations for corrective actions if deemed necessary. The report's contents are then used to ensure accountability and prevent similar incidents from recurring.